Thinking about buying a portable printer but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right printer can be challenging. Some are perfect for labels and stickers, while others are designed for documents, shipping, or creative projects. In today's video, I've researched and compared the top 5 best portable printers of 2026, including the NIIMBOT B1, D110, Portable A4 Thermal Printer, EasyThreed Mini 3D Printer, and Phomemo 241. We'll compare their features, portability, printing performance, connectivity, and overall usefulness for home, office, school, business, travel, and DIY projects. So, stay with us until the end to find out which portable printer is the best choice for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. NIIMBOT B1 is a compact and versatile Bluetooth thermal label printer designed for home, office, school, and small businesses. With a 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery, up to 50 millimeters per second printing speed, and 203 dots per inch resolution, it delivers clear labels without ink or toner. Its 20 to 50 millimeter printing width supports various sticker sizes, while the NIIMBOT app offers 1,500 plus symbols, barcodes, QR codes, fonts, and OCR printing. It works with both smartphones and PC, making wireless printing simple and convenient. From price tags and barcodes to organization labels, the NIIMBOT B1 is a practical, time-saving choice for everyday labeling. Item number 4. NIIMBOT D110 is a compact and stylish Bluetooth thermal label printer, perfect for home, school, office, and personal organization. Its 203 dots per inch high-definition printing produces clear labels without ink or toner, while the rechargeable battery provides convenient wireless use. The D110 connects easily to iOS and Android smartphones through the NIIMBOT app and supports batch printing for faster labeling. It can handle different label styles, including clear, colorful, round, and waterproof labels. From organizing kitchen supplies and school items to creating name tags, cable labels, and price tags, the NIIMBOT D110 makes everyday labeling simple, fast, and convenient. Item number 3. Portable. A 4 thermal printer is a convenient, inkless printing solution for home, office, school, and travel. Its compact design and built-in battery let you print PDFs, documents, test papers, web pages, contracts, photos, and pictures wherever you need them. Supporting a 4 thermal paper, folded paper, roll paper, and tattoo paper, it offers versatile printing options without expensive ink cartridges. With Bluetooth and USB connectivity, you can easily print from smartphones or a computer using the required app or driver. Featuring 203 dpi resolution and a lightweight 647 gram design, this portable printer is a practical choice for mobile work and study. Item number 2. EasyThreed K10 Mini 3D printer is an excellent entry-level choice for kids, beginners, students, and DIY enthusiasts. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to use at home, while the 100 by 100 by 100 millimeter build volume is perfect for creating small models, toys, and creative projects. With 0.1 millimeter positioning and printing accuracy, a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and support for PLA and TPU materials, it delivers reliable results for learning and experimenting. The printer operates quietly with just 24 watts of power and features one-key printing for simple operation. With EasyWare slicing software and helpful tutorials, getting started with 3D printing is easy and fun. Item number 1. Phomemo 241BT is a fast and reliable Bluetooth thermal label printer, ideal for small businesses, home offices, and shipping needs. With 203 dots per inch resolution and impressive speeds of up to 150 millimeters per second, it can quickly print clear 4x6 shipping labels without ink or toner. The printer supports label widths from 1 to 4.6 inches and works with iPhone, Android, Mac, and Windows through Bluetooth or USB. Its smart label sensing technology automatically adjusts label positioning, helping reduce paper waste. With easy-to-use software, PDF and Word support, plus 1D and QR code printing, the Phomemo 2 41BT makes professional labeling faster and easier.